In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create this eye-catching flyer in Canva. I already added the same image to the project. I just increase the size to fit the whole page, like this. Something like this. Just try to keep some space for the text. So I'm going to the text, add heading. I already copied the text, what I would like to use, and start to editing. First of all, the size has to be 160. Go into the font type and searching for Helvetica and choose a Helvetica now, but open this drop-down menu. I choose the black. And now going to the advanced settings, letter spacing is -55. Sounds a bit weird, but it works. And now the line spacing, we just start to moving down and down until we have the position what we would like to use. And now I'm moving to somewhere to here. Yes, somewhere to here. I just try to figure out where is the hand of the lady, because I will duplicate this image and we are moving her above the text. So try to find where is it still readable. And I go into the text color and choosing the color from the image. Try to find a good one. This is, I think, this would be good. And I go into the effects, outline, and changing to black, but it's too big, so the size has to be, the thickness has to be reduced to 10. Now it's already better. And of course, we can use any other colors and just use one now for this presentation. So now I'm moving again the same image over into here, increasing the size again, removing the background. Now it's important. And going to the position and moving to the top. Or somehow it's not working properly, so just deleting, go into the image and duplicate and removing the background. Now, yeah, it's better. And go into the text again and start to moving. Yeah, now it's looking better. Something is dodgy for me here with, I don't know. Okay, that was just, okay, my eye was a bit misleading me. That's no problem. Just for a first look was a bit weird, but it's looking good. So this is the final outcome. This is how we can create this effect in Canva very easily. Of course, this text color can be changed to different one, the natural one from different from the image palette of the color palette of the image. But I think mostly working well. But even might be just check quickly something. The text, if I even more reducing the thickness of the outline, yeah, might be even better. Yeah, looks better. Looks better. Just need a small thickness, the smaller outline, because in this case the text is more separated from the image, and that's that's 3 was enough. So now here is the final outcome. I really like it. And now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please don't forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. Please also check the description of this video where you can find the links for my TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook pages. Plus you can find a link for the Buy Me Coffee link where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find all the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.